Hello, can you hear me? If you're hearing me, can you please identify? No, 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 how you doing now? How work today? You don't reach out. Okay, okay. You not send me message now. This morning just like you not send me message for you. Ah, if I that data I call you for, babe, I swear. I think maybe you don't find a way to get so. I want maybe transfer data to my MTN line. Not direct sub. Eh? Like how many gig did the person transfer?
One gig.
Let me try if you can transfer like two. If you can transfer like 200 to maybe 300 now.
You don't transfer to some call data.
Uh, I know what I was saying. I thought it just frustrating my life here, Jerry.
Don't keep it and
Huh?
don't feel like you're good though.
But I thought it's even worse. I'm trying to connect to a life now in this thing, but it's not working. Later now. I will call you back later.
So,
Hello, can you hear me clearly? Please, if you're hearing me clearly, can you type? I can hear you from the chat. Let me know. Hello, if you're hearing me, can you type? I'm hearing you on the chat. Let me know. Hello, Mr. Henry, can you hear me? If you're hearing me, can you type? I am hearing you. Okay. Today I wanted to share my screen so that we can do analysis, but my network is not good, and Traders View is failing to load. So because of that, I might not be able to check for chat this evening again. But let's see what if I can do something from this one here. But I don't really know what happened to network this night. Um, Let me go to USD JPY. Let me go to gold. I will start my analysis. Okay, this is gold here actually, and like what I shared with us on the in the Telegram channel. To be sincere with you, currently now I don't really have a setup on gold because the way gold has been behaving since last week, I don't understand how it has been behaving. It's not even doing a pullback at all. So the pullback I'm expecting now, I'm expecting a pullback to this level here, which is 3,449. But for this market to get to this place here is not very realistic because currently USD is very weak currently. So and it's pushing gold, especially the what is currently happening is favoring gold. So gold is currently at the all-time high, which if I switch to daily time frame, you can see it very well here. Okay, the daily time frame is very clear. So there's no pullback. And for the how many days now, even the RSI is showing that the market is oversold, overbought. RSI is showing overbought. So actually, I've not tell people how to use RSI. This is only indicator I use in my with my combined with my price action. That's when I say a lot of things is still pending for people that they have not been able to tell people and teach people. So during our mentorship class, I will be able to teach people how to use RSI to in their on their chart. So that's only indicator that I'm using out of all the indicators that we have in the market. So RSI is showing overbought, so I'm expecting the market to retrace back, at least back to the level of our normal level of 50%. So, but currently, I don't know what really good is actually doing. So we have to be very, very patient with good. So I don't really have setup on good currently. To be sincere, I don't really have setup. And on BTC, the analysis I did this morning actually it play in the wrong way. Like not be say not like they play in the wrong way, but what I was actually expecting from BTC. That was on 1 hour time frame. So it actually not coming back to give me a proper entry. So tomorrow is another day which I will be looking for another entry. But now, when I'm looking at this code now, this BTC now, like I told you, tomorrow is another day. I start my daily analysis. I start from daily analysis. How did yesterday, today, how did it close? It's going to determine how tomorrow market is going to really move. Are you getting my point? So that's one of the major factor I consider when I'm doing analysis. But currently, to be sincere with you, on this daily time frame, like I said, today is Monday. Before I do analysis, it's going to be tomorrow morning before I can know what I'm actually waiting for. Because what happened in the midnight is also a language that the market speak to me, which I actually use to determine my own trade because I trade within London session to New York session. Like everybody that is in this session, they know me for. I only trade from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So that's when I look for entry. And tomorrow morning, what happened between now to tomorrow morning is something that's going to play a key role in the way I'll be looking at market tomorrow. So this night, I will not really have anything, but I promise you tomorrow morning, I'll be going to the place I used to use for my office in Ikorodu here because I'm not going to Ikeja tomorrow. So I open that place open by 9 a.m. So by 9 to 9:30, we should be able to have live. And if there is a live analysis or live trade, we are going to do any one of them. But we are still meeting back on this YouTube channel tomorrow. So for now, I will just forget about analysis this night. But there is there is one of the most important topic that I've wanted to discuss with us for a very long time, and it's part of something like I want everybody to understand. Now, the question bound to why are we even trading? Why are we trading? If you have any answer to this question, can you type your answer on the comment section? Let me know if you actually know the reason why we are trading. Anybody? Why are we trading? Is a question. I'm waiting for answer. I'm waiting, looking at the comment section. Why are we trading? I want everybody to drop their hands on the comment section. I'm also looking at the comment section here. Why are we trading? Anybody? Okay, because it has no location barriers. Okay, that's fine. Any other reason? Now, let me quickly answer your question very, very short. I won't lie to you. Most people go into trading because they know that they watch a lot of people video on YouTube, on every social media, being it Instagram, Twitter, or some other social media platform. They see traders living luxurious life, making money in the market, and they see like, wow, this is money. If these people can be making this kind of money, they also can make it. Yes, it's very real. But to be sincere with you, the main reason why everybody always push people to start trading, only few people know. And I will be telling you one of the key answers today. Let me be sincere with you. If you actually want to be rich in life, if you actually want to be rich in life, you have to follow the footprint of people, of wealthy people, of rich people that you know. It's not that maybe you pick them as your mentor. No. But you are following their what are they doing in real life that is accumulating wealth for them. Because there's nothing you are doing in this life that nobody has never done. You're not the first person to do it. So now, what are people as in the rich men, what are they doing that is making them to be rich? And I won't lie to you, that number one focus of what they are doing is trading. Forget about people going to petroleum, forget about people going to real estate, Forget about people going into production. But all of them, I won't lie to you, they are trading. Every rich man that you know today, every rich man that you say, ah, this man, they mention this person name, this person is a rich man, this person is a rich lady. He is a trader. Whether he's a physical trader or online trader, they are going to be trader. I'm going to use Dangote as a case scenario. Now, I'm asking you, audience, what kind of business do you think Dangote is doing? Drop in the comment section, please. I want to see what kind of business do you think Dangote is doing? I'm waiting for answer. Trading consumables. Thank you. Is trading consumable. Like is most of the company focus on production, producing consumables items. But now the money they are making, because dem dey already understand this simple concept that if you are saving your money in local currency, it will be losing purchasing power in the market, because what is giving you purchasing power is money. And now we now bound to need to explain what is purchasing power. Purchasing power is just simply the value of what you can get for your money, because without money you can't go to market and say you want to go and buy something. And now the amount of money you carry to the market will determine what you are going to buy in the market, which means your money is your purchasing power. So now the value of it in the market, for instance now, what you can get with 1 million naira last year is not the same. You can't get it with the same 1 million naira this year, because the 1 million naira of last year have lost value compared to this year. So we need to understand this thing, and I won't lie to you, this is how the world are built, as in is built. Nothing is going to change. It will keep increasing. Don't think this thing will come down. They will not come down. They are not going to come down. They will keep going up, keep going up, keep going up. Because as they keep going up, these rich men, as they are doing their business, they can afford to buy it. It's only we that, as in only average people or poor people, that they keep complaining that they can't buy it. Rich men are still buying the assets. And in the whole world now, one of the biggest assets that everybody in the whole world currently buy now is gold. If I share you the gold charts on a yearly time frame, let me share it with you. The gold chart on a yearly time frame, this is a 12 months. See, this is a 12 months time frame. If you look at it now, the gold value says, which year is this? The gold value since Friday, January 1, 1971, the value of gold has been rising and it's not coming down, because as it keep going up, as people keep buying, it keep going up. As people keep buying, it keep going up. And these rich men, they can buy it at any rate. That's when we retail trader now, we are waiting for market to give a pullback before we buy. But rich men are still buying. That's when we see the market being going up, because everything in this life still obey the supply and demand rule. The higher the demand, uh the what's it called? The lower the price. The lower the supply, I mean the higher the supply, the lower the price, the higher the demand, the higher the price. When the demand of an asset keep rising, definitely the price will keep rising. And when the supply of an asset is above, it keep rising, definitely the price will keep fall. So this gold now, the gold mining is very, very, very slow currently. So only the one that is in, what's it called, is in that is in flow. They are the only one that is, what's it called, they are trading. If people are not ready to sell, people that want to buy, they are not going to say anything to buy. And people who want to buy now, they're ready to buy it at any price. So people who have it, they are resources, they know that okay, these people they are what? They are very eager to get it. They are ready to sell it at any price. That's why you see the price of gold keep rising. The another case scenario that you can still use, it was BTC. It is BTC rather. BTC, there was a time it was around $1. Even there was a time they are mining the BTC for free. From there, it started jumping up, jumping up, jumping up. The day that Elon Musk coming to claim that he bought BTC, that was since that day, that's the day that BTC keep rising because all the rich men they have big money to go and increase the demand on the on assets. So if you are not living with this reality, if you don't not if you are not real with yourself. Sorry, my screen is still showing here because I can see my screen is still showing here. Maybe it's your own network from your end there. And my network has been stable. I don't have any notification that my stable network is not stable for now. If you can see my screen bar, please can you respond to the comment section? Drop your comments if you are seeing my screen now. It's still showing on my from my hand there. It's still showing that you are as in my screen is still displayed. So I think it's your network that is affecting that. My screen is still very well displayed here. So these are the things that we need to understand. Like that's when I send that comment that rich men they are the one making life difficult for let me say masses to live. Because before even masses they do buy gold and keep. But now you hardly see people who can afford to buy gold now because the rich men in the whole world they are pushing their money into good assets. And as they are pushing their money into good assets, you can't compare them that they are buying with $5 million, $30 million, billions of dollars compared to me that I'm even using $200, maybe $100, $200 or $300 to buy gold. You can't compare us. And they are the ones that have high probability of pushing the price of the gold up because they are ready to buy it at any price. So, and that's why we now come to okay, how can we make money with them with our little capital? Is by following their footprint. And what is their footprint? How do we know their footprint? Is when we know what is current trend in the market. That's when I'm going to. That's when I'm going to like, okay, where are these big men? Where are they pushing the market to? You have to follow the trend. Make trend your friend. That's only way you can be following their footprint. Are you getting my point? So we need to understand. Okay, give me a few minutes. Let me do something from my hand here for you to see my screen. Just give me a few minutes, please. Can you see my screen now? Can you see my face? Can you see my face? Sorry, I've not been able to go home, and I'm not be able to go home. I just branched in a friend's office to have this session because there's no light in my place and there is light here. So I'm very sorry. So what I'm actually saying, telling you is that place and place, we need to take risk. You and I, you see now, I show you something on my screen now. Gold has been buying for a very long time. This is it. Gold has been buying since 1971 and it has not been going up. It has not been coming down. You and I, we know that we are still very, we are not even, me, I'm still, I'm not even, what's it called? They've not even given birth to me yet in 1971. But had it been our dead, our father, they've make an effort to even get at least small portion of this good and keep it. By now, only God know how, only God will know how, what will be in our words by now. So that kind of risk they couldn't take, we have to take it. If you can't, if you don't take, if you don't consider yourself, consider your children. This that Davido and other people we see, or other children, they don't have two heads. They only have one head, like we also have. So if you think you are too old, don't say you are too old. Your children are also there. You are making the effort you are making now is because you don't have people that make that effort for you before you come to this world. You are blaming them, but now how do you want to make sure that these children too will not blame you? Because to be sincere with you, the more we live, the more we the life as in living in life getting cost, being more expensive. The children that are coming to this gold now is currently 3,003. Maybe by the time they will start to know what is calling even call a gold, the gold will have reached $10,000 before that by that time. And we know how hard it is to get $10,000. We should be like, oh, the opportunity is lost. Like the way we lost opportunity on BTC. Even me high as a person, I mine BTC, but I've never known that BTC is going to be something that's going to be valuable as this. I lost my key to the wallet. I have about maybe 20 something BTC when I mined it for free. But I lost, I made that mistake. It's one of the mistakes I will never make in my life again. Because by now, even Ethereum, I mine Ethereum. But I've lost the trust wallet key that I used to do all those things. Ethereum that I have was like about 50 something Ethereum that I have. Before I lost the key wallet, I confirmed it. And I still have tendency to be increasing because I do something at that particular time that's supposed to be giving money. I supposed to be increasing. Please, the reason why everybody is telling you that you should trade is because every big man they are pushing their money to trade and they are making life very expensive for masses to live. And the more they get rich, the more they subject the masses into poverty. We can see the like of it in Nigeria. A lot of politicians are getting rich, their value is increasing, their net worth is increasing without doing anything. But the money they are embezzling in that place is higher and they are subjecting more people into poverty, as in they are subjecting more masses into poverty. That's why the poverty rate in Nigeria has increased by significant numbers within the time that Tinubu enter. Because most of his policy, most of the things they are doing, their policy is not favoring masses. It's just subjecting the masses to poverty. And I won't lie to you, these people that you are seeing, they are not keeping their money as a local currency. They are using their money to buy FX, to buy foreign exchange currency, which means they are practically trading. Like if you are attending my beginner class, I told you, trading is not about being online alone. As people are buying, as demand is also increasing in a what's it called in a physical market, that's how it will be affecting the online market too. That's why they say the market cap of trading is above is more than 6 trillion because all the banks now with what is happening, banks are also pushing their money into gold. They are using their money to buy gold. There was one bank they announced last month that used almost 50% of his asset to buy gold to secure gold. The same news that came out from the BTC it was not last week or 2 weeks ago, that one big company used almost $500 million to buy BTC, which means they are pushing their money to go. And they know that the more they are pushing their money to go, the more the price of that thing will be increasing and they will be making more money. Please, this is an opportunity for us to also involve ourselves in a trading, and let's thank God for the broker or the opportunity of broker that we have, that they give us the advantage of, okay, let us partake in this forest space. Let us be able to partake and make money in the forest industry. Because to be sincere with you, around June, Donald Trump declared how much he made from trading assets. And now you can go and make research about it. Most of Donald Trump net worth, most of his fund, most of his network are being kept as a good. From my research, I was told that Donald Trump prefer to be using good to buy house, to involve in real estate. Any transaction he want to do, he always like to use good. So that kind of person, are you telling me that he will stop buying good? He will not stop buying, because they already know what they are getting from trading. Donald Trump declared $600 million profit. That was as in half of the year from crypto and gold trading. Elon Musk is there. Jeff Bezos is there. A lot of them, almost all of them are trading. Because to be sincere with you, if you have anybody, they will tell you that the only two way, there are two ways me I know, I've made my research, and which I confirm that that's the most, as in two way that you can create generational wealth, that you can be making consistent money. Number one of them is trading of currency. You see that our bookie brother that are trading currency, no, they are rich. If you know what is inside their account, you know that these people, they are extremely rich. They are just buying dollar, sell dollar. They are extremely rich. There is no business in the whole world that is as profitable as currency, as trading. That's why all the big men, they have already know this thing, and they are going. Everybody, they are going into it, and it's just like an update they are giving each other. Do you know the reason why Donald Trump and Elon Musk were very close during the campaign? And immediately before Donald Trump was inaugurated to be on that seat, he launched his own personal coin. Do you know how much he made from that coin? If it's not profitable, trading is not profitable, why would they go into it? Will rich men be going into something that is not profitable? No, they will never. They will never. Number two, after trading, as in currency trading, is importation and exportation. Import and export business, which is just like as if you are also trading currency. You see those two things, oh my goodness, those two business, they are one of the most, as in they are most profitable business in the whole world. If you are doing petroleum and you are not importing or exporting your petroleum, it's not going to be profitable as you think. That's why you see all those foreigner companies, they come to Nigeria here. All those Chevron is not Nigeria, it's it's a foreign company. That's why you see petroleum too is also an international trade asset. Anything import and export is one of the key way, one of the as in one of the way that people still generate money. That's why when you see our Igbo, that we call them Igbo brothers in Nigeria here, they make a lot of money because you don't know what is their make, as in their business of import and export. Oh my goodness, they are making a lot of money. Not all of them are going to a ritual. We just say Igbo like ritual, Igbo, but they know about the business very, very well. They know about the business very, very well, to the level that they can make profit at any time. Are you getting my point? They make profit at any time. So we need to be careful. Those two things, like that one I told you that let me just use this one to motivate you this night. that making money in the market is very, very, very profitable, as a is very, very rare. And I will urge everyone to take your trading career very serious. I will urge everyone to take trading career very serious because this is one of the best way. Like we always say, rich men are not giving updates. Rich men are not giving. They are not teaching us how to fish. But this is the way they are also making money. And if you also know that you are ready to make that money, you have to be aligned with what they are doing. And I've already given you two key figures of the people in the whole world that they are what? That they are also into trading. So if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section. Let me attend to it before I round up for today. Any question, you can drop your question in the comment section. I'm waiting for question. In the absence of none, just type I have no question or no question. Just type it in the comment section. Let me see. Now, the pairs we'll be focusing on now, like I told you, my major currency pair, I don't have any setup on them. And that's why I've not been selling trade, I've not been selling trade in the channel. So to be I'm just looking for another asset which I can get myself familiar with and look at their price action. And that's what I actually did to throughout today. But I think I shared some setup last week. I'm still observing those one for now. Let me go to 4 hour back. I'm still observing those one back. Like something like what's it called? GBPCHF. I share it in the Telegram channel. GBPCHF. I share this setup in the Telegram channel. I'm actually waiting for this market to get to this level here to bounce back and start moving up because it already break a structure here. So this one here, I see it as a retracement back to this level, and if you can see, it's still our normal system that we used to trade are still used here. What is our normal setup? It sweep the liquidity here. We already sweep the liquidity here. It went up, and like I told you, this one that block here is already a value that block. This is the structural liquidity that is resting there. You already cleared the transactional liquidity, which is a break of structure, and it's hard to retest to obey to respect this other block. So this is what I'm actually expecting on the GBP 4 hours time frame. So I think this is the only setup I have for this week. This is the only setup I have for this week. Let me still check again if I have any other one. No setup on good for now. USD JPY. I won't lie to you. I'm actually expecting market to come and respect this 1 hour zone here. So I think USDCHF want to be ranging around here. And that ranging, I won't lie to you, what it actually mean is that from our market structure, this ranging actually speaking like the market want to continue this sell. So I'm actually waiting for sell opportunity. I'm actually waiting for sell opportunity, but like I told you, I will have I don't have any entry here to this morning. I would have forced myself to take a trade here and set down to this 1 hour low here. But tomorrow is another day. You can see a setup tomorrow. This will just open. But currently, I don't see anything significant on this USDCHF and USDPY rather. So that's why I don't have any setup on it. because what you are looking out for, this other block here has been obeying already. The market has respected it here. So no other block here that you can say we want to wait for the market. No more. So we have to wait until, or else we have another one. But this one here is a clear of liquidity to me too. This one here, let me see my analysis for this week. Okay, let me do this one. This one now is a clear of liquidity. This is a liquidity. So, but we don't have any break of structure yet. So we can't wait for it. As we have this structure here broken. So that's when we can say we want to have a setup here, which means we still don't have setup yet. So the chart is looking very rough this week, but tomorrow I will check some peers to if we can have some trade, or maybe we can have a quick trade on a what's it called, on a good, maybe it's low time frame trade we are going to see. Okay, I should analyze the AUD USD. Okay, let me check AUD USD. AUD USD. Forex.com. Okay. Okay, this is AUD USD. Let me see the daily time frame. Which of our trend are we? So we are daily uptrend. We are uptrend. So this is, cannot complete this movement. Does not complete this movement. This one is creating a this kind. Let me see. Okay. As this one is closing now, it's closing very strong bullish as a continuity candle. Let me see 4 hour. This is a 4 hour candle. So now I'll pick this place out here as a 4 hour zone. I will pick this one here as a 4 hour zone, 4 hour low, and this place here now. We don't have 4 hour high yet. So now if market is going to open tomorrow, let me go to 1 hour. If market is going to open tomorrow, now if you look at this place now, there is other block here. There's other block here. So this one here now is a break of structure according to this 1 hour now. It's already a break of structure. So what I will be expecting from the market tomorrow is for market to have a pullback from this level to around here and go up. Now, what is the risky game that this market is going to play here? Now, where the market is coming, this place here now, the market has taken this place as if it has filled up this imbalance. Definitely, the market will want to enter this other block because if you look at this other block, it did not clear any liquidity. So the market just come down to fill up the imbalance and move up. So if it's me within this zone here, that's when I will be waiting for my market confirmation and buy up to this level here. So I will be expecting the market to, so this place here now, they will be standing as a, Can you hear me? If you are hearing me now, please can you signify? And for the sake of someone that has that, can you venture into crypto? Yes, you can venture into crypto, like I said. I have some students which I mentor for crypto for forex, and they are using the strategy on crypto, and it's working perfectly. They are making a very good profit in crypto. And like I said, even me, I'm checking BTC USD tomorrow. So if I have a setup on it, I will send a signal into the Telegram channel. So you can take it from a forex broker, or you can also take it from a broker. So I also trade crypto with this my strategy, and it's working very well there. So you can venture into crypto trading. Energy Tech, have I answered your question? Are you hearing me, Energy Tech? So if you have any question, you can still ask on the. You can ask a question under the comment section. I'm still here live before I end the live session. If you have any question, you can still ask. I still have the time for you now. Any question? You can ask a question under the comment section. I'm still waiting. Oh, okay, no problem. Energy Tech, okay, thank you. All right, so that will be all for this night. Please and please, like I always say, let's invite more people to the Telegram channel, or you can also share this this YouTube channel with your friends. Yeah, like I said, the continuation analysis and everything, I will fully take it up in this my coming mentorship class. I said it in our last class. So the strategy I've been taught for people who attended my last class. I've already taught them my strategy, and it's not something I can take you this night. I've already done some part of the video uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can go and watch it if you are still to watch it. But the full concept, both the reversal and the continuation, and how and what's it called, by the way I see market and everything, will be done in the coming mentorship class that I will start by on the 15th of this month. So if you really want to take the full uh, course on my strategy and both reversal and a continuation, please book yourself. As in, you can book your session with me and make yourself available to start to attend my mentorship class by on the 15th. So we are starting on the 15th. So there's nothing that is changing the date. It's already fixed, and we are going to start. And I will reveal every secret behind the market movement in that class. So it's not something we are going to discuss this night, because continuation is not something I can be explaining on a short video like this. So, but I've already programmed myself that by the 15th, I will reveal every secret in that place. So that's it. So any other question? Okay, sir. So any other question? Energy Tech, have I answered your question? My strategy will be fully taken in the coming mentorship class. So, and let me be sincere with you. There's one thing that always confuses people, and I would like it. I will like you to get everything right. What is even strategy? Strategy is just the way, to be sincere with you, with my view, with my experience in the market is just the way how you entry and how you exit market. What are you looking out for you to make an entry? And what are you looking out for to exit that trade? The analysis, normal the way we do analysis, even if I don't teach you, my strategy is the one that involve the real life uh experience about how to analyze market. Because when you see it from the higher time frame, it will give you a very decent and very good view on higher time frame, and you'll be able to trim it down to lower time frame. But at the same time, if you know about your market structure, which is the trend very well, you can use 4 hour and predict your market and analyze your market very well. So analyzing market should be something you should be able to know very, very well at the even before you go say you want to learn a strategy. A strategy is just an entry and exit. What are you looking out for before you make entry? That's my strategy. What is called strategy? Everybody, whether you are SMC trader, you are ICT trader, we still analyze the market in the same way. But just like the way people see market, the way we analyze the market, they are different. We cannot be 100% right every time, because this is the market. Nobody is behind the movement. You can predict the trend, but when you know when the market is going to, you know the trend. You've already know 90% of you, when you know the market to do analysis to predict the trend and know the zones. You already know like almost 60% of the market. The strategy is going to come in to refine you like what are you going to look out for to make an entry, and when you wait for market to make an entry. Two question: where are you waiting for market? Because when market is